how are you guys doing today? Right now I'm at the movie theater. I want to watch Sprinter right now. So just come checking for you guys because it's been so long. So let's see if I can see any sneak peeks and show you guys what's happening. So follow me to the movies. I'm already reached though, so I'm at Caribbean.
There you go, cinema 4 upstairs.
Okay.
Hey.
Jody hungry right now, so she coming at the vlog right now. So where they are, my name Tao. Tao and Kingston. So yeah, I put on my wig today. Yesterday I never really put on my wig. So steering. So me now I'm my 48. So I get my food and I'm gonna show you. And the champagne DNG. Vegetable? Yeah. So I get some gravy and some veg on mine and champagne syrup.
Have you not tried it?
I'm gonna try this. And I also got a champagne soda. Don't do over there, so I don't know what should I cash check out. That's what I just finished having lunch. I was relaxing so then I walk back over to work. And I have how much was I having? Nothing more 3 hours and 2 hours. Anyway, it's a couple more hours left. I was just there. The food was actually nice over where in town. My belly full. But never used to say belly full.
To know.
Yeah, I know them can't all hear you. You know, tell me name. She named Jody. So if you see her on the road,
Jody.
Jody, you call her Jody. If you see her, you say Jody, you see her. Why should I be like she mean? You're going to like say mean, but don't call me. I probably she did something I'm straight for ear, so that I don't even know the ear. So we're just leaving work now, rain a fall. Now my friend around there, so we're going to have a tree. So we're for rush now. So yeah, so you guys either reach after tree or reach home. So yeah, keep big up yourself in the vlog. Yes, we are walking after tree, rain catch tree, yeah. Okay. Guys, we're under one shelter. So we say, I tell Keith say no, for come make we take taxi. Keith say, no. We are walking after tree. He said we start walk, the rain starts. So I say, Keith, what if when me a walk now, because the breeze are blow hard now. If my wig got blow off, Keith say me that laugh and say me put it up. It's not easy, what if my wig did blow off? You don't know what I'm saying. I just take off my wig and put the wig in my bag and vlog with my cane or them. I don't know, so I'm not afraid for them, some of them. So guys, if you guys like this here, let me know. I also did a video with it, the unboxing, so it's on my channel also. Oh my god, you true. So that's what's up. So yeah. From work, long time though. It's around bedtime, so you know, so I'm gonna take off my wig, eat my dinner, and chill. But for tomorrow though, yeah, I'm gonna vlog tomorrow. So guys, tomorrow. So guys, well, I just wake up. Babe just went to work a while ago, so I just started my room, clean maybe. Yeah, I just started my room a little bit and then I go outside go wash. And then I look breakfast. You guys also I'm gonna have a breakfast and chill for the rest of the day. So let's set the room and clean the place until. wash your face base, wash your shower or the bathtub or whatever you guys call it now. No, my room tidy now. I'm just gonna go mop out the room and then I'm gonna go downstairs and start to wash some clothes. Washing by hand is good though, you know, because sometimes it's better than machine, but machine is just, when you use machine you can multitask while the clothes washing you can either be cooking, catching up on some YouTube or something. But it's all from ever since the old people or the elders used to state that washing by hand always good enough, darling. Not all the time machine good for wash clothes. So that's what's up right now. So I just get to that right now. Outside is very hot right now, so I'm have to do it because the sun out, because we was having constant rain recently, a few days ago. So when you see the sun, you have to really appreciate the sun. So yeah. Well, my hand. I did start wash some clothes already, you know. So I wash the rest of now. More clothes to wash, but right now I'm going on a lunch break. I'm hungry. I haven't eaten from morning. You see how much things I'm doing from morning? I'm clean, no matter wash. I deserve a lunch break. Don't you guys think so? So I'm going to do it now and get something to eat and then wash some more. Guys, I don't. If anyone think that I don't have a machine, yes, I have a washing machine, but you know, as I stated earlier, sometimes I just feel like I wash by my hand, even though I take out a lot of energy. So when we finish up, you know, I'm just bathe and sleep and call it a day. So I just finish up now and go got road. Steamed fish with dumpling and banana and potato. Nice, it's a man. It is especially like grape today. Yeah. She's nervous. She's nervous, really? I'm not nervous. They shot us up on you. Listen. What? Alright. Guys, enjoy the vlog. I was editing and realized that I did not end the vlog. So hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you in the next upload. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe.